Hey there mga my loves Aquarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yan no, bago natin simulan ng inyong reading mga babes, no, our content pala is that we're gonna take a look at how this person is viewing you. Pwedeng may specific person kayo on your mind. Pwede rin naman na wala, no, maaaring ito yung person na connecting sa inyo strongly, energetically here, no. So titingnan natin paano ka ba niya view and of course, titingnan rin natin kung paano mo siya view at ang inyong mutual or shared na energy ninyong dalawa coming from both of you, and of course the challenge, blockage, and the outcome or possible outcome in the future of the situation. Pero, before that, no, reminders muna tayo na hindi ito for everybody ha. Kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung ramdam mo and if you feel that connection and vibration that this reading is for you, then this reading might really for you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and dive into this reading. So, tell me something about my Aquarius people. Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in our reading. This is for Aquarius. How does this person views my Aquarius people here? This is for Aquarius. Paano po nakikita ng taong ito? Si Aquarius. And how does Aquarius views this person as well? Paano nakikita ni Aquarius ang tao na ito? What is the mutual energy coming from both of them? What is the shared mutual energy coming from both of them? Can you please show us as well? What about the blockage and possible outcome? What about the blockage or challenge and possible outcome? This is for Aquarius. This is for Aquarius. Okay, let's go ahead and check out Aquarius. Ano ba ang situation dito for you? Let's see. So this person, whoever this is viewing you, Aquarius, as the Eight of Cups energy. So definitely, kung sino man siya, no, iniisip niya rito na pwedeng nagmo-move on ka pa, or maybe this person here is parang hindi ka pa totally healed, no, parang sometimes nalulungkot ka pa rin of what had happened in the past, no, not necessarily na iniisip niya na mahal mo pa yung ex mo, pero nakikita ka niya na sinusubukan mo at tinutulungan mo talaga yung sarili mo na mag-move forward sa heartache, sa heart pain, no, sa feeling broken, yan, no. This is you na nakikita ka niya rito, no, as matapang actually, no. So, pwedeng nakukuha rin kasi natin rito, no, na pwedeng nakapag-open ka sa kanya ng nararamdaman mo, kaya maaring may alam siya, no. So, this could be a friend to you, or this could be someone here na not necessarily close kayo, pero maaaring alam niya yung nangyari sa'yo, especially, okay, sa yung past relationships. At kung ikaw to na pwedeng recently mo pa lang, it doesn't have to be na recently na kaka-break mo pa lang or separated ka from a committed relationship with your past lover, no? Nakikita ko rito na regardless kung kaka-separate mo pa lang, kaka-break, kakahiwalay, no? Or matagal ka nang hiwalay, no? Pero nakikita niya ngayon na tinutulungan mo yung sarili mo mag-move on at mag-move forward. Yan, no? So, this person here is actually sharing the same vibe, no? So, pag malungkot ka, nalulungkot din siya. Yeah, that's the energy. Okay, so nakikita niya rito mga babes no, na parang gusto kanyang tulungan, no, na makahilom at makalimutan yung nakaraan na yan. Gusto kanyang tulungan na mag-move forward rito sa life mo. Yan, no. At kung sino man siya mga babes, no, this is someone here na nakikita ko na pag sinabi niya na mananatili siya sa tabi mo, talagang gagawin niya yun. Yes. That is the energy that this person is giving out in this reading of yours. Yan. So, nakikita ka niya nag-move forward, although nahihirapan ka na may mga parang mga issues, mga memories pa rin na naaalala mo or nagpapakita sa iyong isipan, no? To the point na medyo nagkakaroon ng challenge, no? Challenging pa rin yung pag-move forward mo, no? Especially kung yung ex mo eh malapit lang naman sa inyo or nakikita mo pa rin. Kasi yung iba, nakita ko rito na yung ex nyo, katrabaho nyo, no, hindi nyo naman siya pwedeng paalisin sa trabaho dahil hindi naman kayo may-ari niyan. Pero kung sino man 'to 'no, na mga energies rito 'no, parang either katrabaho niyo siya or madalas niyo siyang nakikita 'no, it's still mahirap for you na tuluyang ibasura although gusto niyo, na tuluyan niyo na makalimutan yung ex niyo. Eh, huwag kayong mag-alala, okey? Time will heal all wounds 'no, at nakikita ko you're almost there and you've got someone here, gusto ka niyang tulungan. Ba? O ngayon tingnan na natin kung paano mo naman siya nabu-view 'no, kasi siya nakikita ko 'no, na willing siyang makinig rito sa'yo 'no, kahit na magkuwento ka pa ng magkuwento tungkol sa past mo 'no, kahit na ayaw niya yun marinig, go lang. Okey, alam mo yung parang nakukuha ko rito, naiinis siya dun sa ex mo, eh. Naiinis siya dun sa nanakit sa'yo, sa damdamin mo 'no, parang ano siya, eh, parang gusto niya na mag-revenge or masaktan yun pabalik 'no. Everytime na magkukuwento ka pero okey lang tinitiis niya lang na magkuwento ka lang, sige magkuwento ka lang 'no. Ipasa mo sa'kin yung mga nararamdaman mo para bitbitin ko yan kung puwede nga lang kunin niya na lang pain na yan sa'yo, ginawa niya na. Yan, taray. So, kung sino man 'to mga babes 'no, this person will stay by your side. Ngayon, paano mo siya nabu-view is this Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. So, ngayon mga babes 'no, nakikita ko na kung friend mo siya, friend pa lang yung tingin mo, pero hindi mo inaalis sa sarili mo 'no, na puwedeng umikot dito ang mesa at umikot ang mundo. Yes, actually naiisip mo rito 'no, na paano kung itong person na 'to na nasa tabi ko, hindi lang pala friend ang role niya sa buhay ko. Paano kung umikot rito 'no, yung gulong ng tadhana for me? What if this person here 'no, or parang ikaw 'to na wini-wish mo na sana yung yung taong naka-connect mo 'no, is kasing kaugali nitong friend mo na ito or kung sino man 'tong someone na 'to, 'no? But now, in this Wheel of Fortune's energy, you're viewing this person here 'no, na parang padala siya rito ng mga angels and spirit guides mo, your guardians right here to help you cope up 'no, and adapt with the pain 'no, na nararanasan mo ngayon 'no. Parang nakikita mo siya as angel 'no, nakikita mo siya rito as someone here na hindi ka iiwan 'no, like you're right, no? This person is a friend, okay? Parang a friend in need is a friend indeed. Yan, no? At hindi mo naman inaalis rito sa yung isipan, Aquarius, no? Na one day, maaring magbago yung tingin mo sa kanya or whatever, no? Yung iba, maaring nag-confess to, no? Maaring may emotions and feelings siya sa'yo. Mamaya alamin natin yung shared ninyong energies, no? Pero dito nakikita ko, no? Sa ngayon, hindi mo pa masabi kung may in love ka sa kanya or what, no? Only time can tell, no? Alam mo kung bakit? Hindi pa kasi, okay? Kasi meron ka pang dini na pain, nasasaktan ka pa kasi. Okay, 'pag nawala na yung pain na 'yan 'no, dun mo makikita 'no, kung ready ka na, kapag ready ka na 'no, na mag-dive into a new relationship 'no, diyan mo makikita, okay? Kung mag-iiba yung tingin mo sa kanya rito. Pero yung potential 'no, na parang tinataglay nitong friend mo na 'to or kung sino man 'tong someone around you 'no, parang it looks like, hoping ka 'no, na sana yung ugali nito 'no is ma-adapt rin ng magiging ka-next in relationship mo. It's like, okay, sana yung next relationship or sana yung tao for me is kasing kasing bait, kasing alaga, kasing caring at saka very understanding nitong friend ko na 'to 'no, 'yan 'no. Pero nakikita ko rin yung iba sa inyo na, um, parang kayo 'to na if ever na itong friend mo na ito, yung mismo na tao na nakalaan for you or yung may role siya ritong very significant or special, I think i-entertain mo siya. Okay? But not now. Kasi you're dealing with your heartache pa. And your common, I mean, your mutual feelings, I mean, and energy for each other is this lovers. See, exactly. It's friend or mananatiling. I mean, it's lovers or mananatiling friend. It's an option. See? Told ya. Kasi yun ay nasa isip mo eh. 'Di ba? This person could be a friend if you want this person to stay as a friend. And this person, open ka, no, kung may maramdaman ka, no, pagtapos ng pag-deal mo sa iyong emotions and feelings, pagtapos ng pag-cleanse mo ng energy at pagbasura mo, no, pag-trash mo sa mga excess baggages no sa'yo, eh, who knows? Diba? Parang ganun ka eh. Okay? You're willing to entertain this because tinataglay niya yung mga katangian na hinahanap mo sa isang kapareha. With the lovers right here, it's up to you. The angels and spirit guides are telling you that if you go with this person here, this person has this chance, no, na maipakita sa'yo yung real meaning ng love. And may potential ito na mag-grow. Yan, no? But with the clouds in here, hindi mo pa alam because it's not yet happening. But you already know this person's good intentions and characteristics. The personality really stands out, no? At ang intention ay pure. So, this is you. You have options, okay? Whether to stay friends with this individual here or whether to go in a deeper connection, which is the relationship, love, romantic relationship with this person in this lover's energy. Parehas kayo rito open, no? Actually, no, kung bibigyan ng pagkakataon na magkakaroon kayo ng relationship, go din siya, no? Push din siya dito. Okay? Kasi, alam mo yun mga babes, it's like ngayon pa lang, meron ng kakaiba na parang soulmate connection na parang namamagitan or umaaligid sa inyong dalawa, no? May kusmikos ng feelings and emotions rito, no, already, which is hindi pa nga lang maipaliwanag ngayon ng malinaw because you're dealing here with pain pa. And the blockage of this connection is this. See, wala pang gumagawa ng movement, the two of wands energy. Okay? Because everything is yet to unfold, but be patient. Okay? The clue here that I'm getting from this one is this universe, this angel, this guardian of yours is telling me that things will unfold its beauty because I heard beauty. Things will unfold its beauty right before your eyes after the healing process. Wala pa nga eh. Okay? Pagpalabas ka na ron, no, like literally, no, nakakalimutan mo na yung ex mo or bumabalik man yung mga memories from the past pero hindi ka na affected, yun na. Mag-uumpisa na mag-unfold ang maganda at tawag nito, special na connection ninyo nitong friend mo na ito or kung sino man to, no, na nasa tabi mo na ever since the world began. Yan, no, yan, narinig natin yan. Kaya, pinula ako. Gusto niyo ba kantahin ko? Ever since the world began. Yeah. So, maaaring yung iba sa inyo, childhood friend niyo siya, or matagal niyo siyang friend, or feeling mo matagal mo na siyang kilala. Yan. And the final, I mean, and the positive outcome in the future, yeah, tila mo, positive na talaga, no, kung-name ko na. Kasi, ang ganda eh. Parang nahanap mo yung lover mo sa katauhan ng isang friend. Yan, no? And the possible outcome of this connection is this high priestess. Definitely. A very soulful, okay, connection. At yun yung malupit yung sekreto. Okay? Because the high priestess is someone here na tahimik. Ako lang naman yung high priestess na madaldal dito eh. Because the veil, this cortina sa likod ng high priestess, no? Cortina yan mga babes, no? Masikreto, no? But there is some kind of a contract here. And this is the marriage contract. You two are meant for each other. You two are meant to share a home with each other. Build that beautiful romantic relationship, committed relationship to each other. You are born for each other. And this is not what I'm getting, okay, to all of my readings. Pero pag ito sinabi ko, ibig sabihin legit. So, ibig sabihin, mga babes, no, if this is your reading, this is not the first time you've encountered this individual Aquarius because you've already had this wonderful, harmonious relationship with this person once in your past lives. Okay? This person Maaaring nakalimutan mo o nakalimutan niya ang mga memories ninyo dahil ilang sali na rin naman yon. Pero isang beses mo lang siyang nakilala in your past lives at hindi siya makalimutan ng iyong damdamin, ng iyong soul. Your soul recognizes this person's soul because you both encountered each other and shared this mekos-mekos, no, na sinasabi ko kaninang spiritual connections. That's why I'm telling you eh, that everything here will come up beautifully. That's what I'm sensing. At the bottom of the deck, yeah, we have here the Nine of Wands. See? Sa ngayon, mga babes, no, clueless ka pa if totoo ba talaga yung happy fairy tale love story? Totoo ba yung happily ever after right here? Yan, no? Yan yung energy mo rito. Pero alam mo, once na makapag-heal ka, you will make tanggal of this gate, no? Ikaw magtatanggal niyan mismo, Nine of Wands energy, at ikaw makaka-experience nito, mga babes, no? Itong Ten of Cups na ito, building that happy family that I'm talking about kanina, working on this type of very soulful connection with this friend of yours or whoever that is in your life. Yan, no? So, this is something here na sikretong malupit pa sa ngayon. Pero ang maganda rito, no, ikaw mismo at siya ang makakita nito. Yes. No, you do not know how emotionally magiging connected kayong dalawa dito sa connection na ito. No, ang ganda kasi parang bago pa lang kayo rito pagsamahin, no, parang sinusubok na, no, yung, kasi nakuha ko rito, ganito rin yung setup nyo nun eh, friend mo siya, friend ka niya, you're friends. Okay? And then, this beautiful connection is naturally na nag-unfold na lang. Okay? And it's something beautiful because magkasama kayo eh. Ngayon, no? Hawak kami kayo. Okay? Na paglalampasan ninyo yung mga problemang darating kasi tapos na kayo dyan, dumaan na kayo dyan, alam niyo na yung gagawin. No? Alam mo kung bakit parang feeling mo matagal mo na siyang kakilala kasi yun nga yun eh. Kasi jowa mo siya noon in your past lives. Meron kayong relasyon in your past lives. Past lives, letter F. In your past lives, no? You've been married with this individual. You've been together with this individual. You've shared this harmonious love, romantic relationship with this individual. And even though your mind do not remember, you do not remember any memory of this person here, it doesn't matter because your soul recognizes his or her soul and this person is recognizing yours as well. So, wow, I can see a beautiful reunion here. You're meant to be together. Aww. So, claim this, Aquarius. Thank you so much, honey. Love and light. Sarang ngayon. And